Hey guys, well today I went and picked up some corn for Chori, for the little pig, and she likes it. She ate 3 of them, but I have an idea, okay? I picked up some of the corn that was loose, like it comes off of here, and I put it in here, just like that. I want to see if I can make popcorn in the microwave with that corn. Which this corn, as you can see, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know. I mean, I think this that one looks like a. Give me a second. Try to focus. It looks like a tooth. Look at that. So I'm gonna see what happens. Let's find out. So I put it in the microwave. I'm gonna put it for 2 minutes. I don't know if I should put it in a plastic container though. I don't want the bag to catch on fire. But like, then I have to go out and get my mom a new microwave. I am afraid that the bag's gonna catch on fire though. Alright, so I'm gonna pause. If it works, I'll show you guys, and if it doesn't, well, I'll tell you guys, you know what, it didn't work. You know what, let me see something real quick. I'm gonna do something even better. Okay, let's see. Just like that, I don't get called a liar. Somebody would probably be like, yeah, she probably put real popcorn in there and then showed this. Let's see. Oh, there it is, okay. Good. Sort of. I'm gonna put 3 minutes. I don't think it's gonna work. $1:37. And I put it for 2 minutes. It smells good though. Oh my god. Is it actually popping? Is it actually popping like popcorn? It's, oh my god, it smells like popcorn. Oh my god, I think it is actually popping. Oh. Oh my god. It's actually working. I want to see. I think that's it. I don't know. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't look good or taste good, I'll just give it to the pig. She'll eat it. Okay, let me open up the microwave. It actually popped. Check this out. Oh, oops. I mean, I don't think it popped all the way. But it actually popped. Or at least some of it tried to pop. I'm not going to do the other one, though. This is cool. And I bought this at a pet store thing. It won't focus. It's focusing on my hand. This is cool. Maybe I should put it for a little bit more. I mean, let me taste a little piece. This one right here. Oh, it tastes good. Oh. Put it for a little bit more. It actually pops. What do you know?